We're having this conversation because last week I did a laser treatment and the laser technician was like, I'm so proud of you. Your skin is so hydrated. Your under eye is so hydrated. Most women, she says, have a very dehydrated under eye. And she's like, what products are you using? These are the products that I use and love and have used and loved for a very long time. I wear the Osea Ocean Eyes under my makeup during the day. It is a watery serum and it has this awesome cooling tip. If you experience any puffiness in the morning, it has caffeine in it. It is rich in peptides, rich in hyaluronic acid. It is a water-based formula, which is perfect for under makeup because if you wear really emollient eye cream, you might be experiencing a lot of creasing. Your makeup might be slipping around on your face. It's not desirable. I am not affiliated with this brand. I am a full paying customer just like you. This is like my fourth bottle and this one is almost empty. At night, I go for the big guns and I use the Youth Restoring Eye Treatment. It also has a cooling tip. It has a really unique peptide blend that has been clinically studied. It is also rich in hyaluronic acid, also rich in peptides. And this is the really emollient eye cream that you need at night. And you will wake up and you'll have a really hydrated under eye. Your skin is 64% water. I love water-based products. Obviously you need oil-based products too, but like attracts like. Put those all over your skin, layer them up if you want to. Your skin is just going to drink it up and it's going to penetrate deeply and then seal all that in with an oil. You need them both.